The Wi-Fi option on my computer has disappeared, and I can't find it. What should I do? Today's video will solve this problem. First, you need to check if there are any problems with your Windows system or computer hardware, such as a network card. Open a command prompt and enter ping1 to 7.1.1.1. If you receive a reply, then there is nothing wrong with your computer hardware, and the problem may be with your system. Next, let's troubleshoot system issues. First, open the control panel, find Network Options, and then open the Advanced tab. Here, click on Restore a setting, then Reset, and finally Reset Network Options. If the problem persists, you can try to access the MSE service point and click OK, and you will get the list of services. On Windows 10, here you need to find and make sure the Bluetooth Auto Delivery service is running. If the service is not running, you will see the option to start the service. You can right-click the service and select Properties in the Properties window. Make sure the startup type is set to automatic, then click Apply and OK, then restart. If the auto configuration service is already running, you can try restarting and opening settings. Then Network and Internet Options. Here, find your Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click on it and select Disable, then right-click again and select Enable. If the adapter is already enabled, you can try disabling it and then enabling it. If you still can't solve the problem, press the Windows key and the R key on your keyboard at the same time. Then type misconfig and click OK. In the System Configuration window, go to the Services tab. Enable all services, then click Apply and restart your computer. If the problem persists, you may need to download and install network drivers. You can download and install the network driver for your laptop model or motherboard model. Once the installation is complete, restart your computer and you should be able to see the Wi-Fi option reappear. These methods usually resolve most Wi-Fi connection issues. If you are still experiencing problems, you may need further diagnosis, or you may seek professional help.
Please follow us for more content.